Jamaica. The name conjures images of sun-drenched beaches, turquoise waters, and the rhythmic pulse of reggae music. But beneath this idyllic surface lies a history marked by both triumph and tragedy. Discovered by Columbus in 1494, the island quickly became a jewel in the crown of the British Empire. But this beauty was built on a brutal foundation, the forced labor of enslaved Africans. For centuries, sugarcane plantations fueled European wealth, while generations of Jamaicans endured unimaginable suffering. The scars of this period run deep, shaping the island's identity in ways both profound and complex. The legacy of slavery is not merely a matter of historical record, it echoes through generations, influencing everything from social structures to cultural expressions. Understanding Jamaica's present requires confronting its past, acknowledging the resilience of a people who emerged from the crucible of oppression with their spirits unbroken. The fight for freedom was long and arduous, marked by acts of both quiet resistance and open rebellion. Yet, through it all, the Jamaican spirit endured, a testament to the indomitable human will to overcome even the most brutal adversity. Emancipation in 1834 marked a turning point, but not the end of the struggle. The journey from slavery to self-determination was long and arduous. Jamaica's path to independence was paved with the sacrifices of countless individuals who fought tirelessly for equality and self-governance. From the Morant Bay Rebellion of 1865, led by Paul Bogle, to the rise of trade unionism in the early 20th century, Jamaicans demonstrated an unwavering commitment to shaping their own destiny. These struggles were not merely about political power, they were about reclaiming dignity, self-respect, and the right to determine one's own future. Finally, on 6 August 1962, Jamaica achieved its hard-won independence. This victory was the culmination of generations of struggle and sacrifice. It marked the dawn of a new era filled with both promise and uncertainty. The challenges ahead were immense, but so too was the spirit of the Jamaican people. They had proven their resilience time and again, and now they were ready to build a nation that reflected their values and aspirations. Jamaica's journey to nationhood was guided by a constellation of remarkable individuals. Political leaders like Norman Manley and Alexander Bustamante, the first prime minister, laid the foundations for a democratic society. Their leadership, though often marked by rivalry, was instrumental in navigating the complexities of post-colonial nation-building. They understood that true independence meant more than just political sovereignty. It required economic justice, social equality, and a commitment to uplifting all Jamaicans. Beyond the realm of politics, cultural icons like Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey emerged as powerful voices for change. Marley's reggae music became a global phenomenon, carrying messages of peace, unity, and social justice to a worldwide audience. Garvey, a pioneering Pan-Africanist, instilled a sense of pride and self-reliance in Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora. These figures transcended national boundaries, becoming symbols of hope and inspiration for oppressed people around the world. Jamaica's motto, "Out of many, one people," speaks to the island's remarkable ability to forge unity from diversity. Despite the enduring legacy of colonialism and slavery, Jamaicans have created a vibrant and dynamic society. The island's cultural tapestry is rich and multifaceted, blending African, European, and Asian influences. This fusion is evident in everything from music and dance to cuisine and language. It is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Jamaican people, their ability to transform adversity into creative expression. This spirit of unity is palpable in everyday life. Jamaicans are renowned for their warmth, hospitality, and infectious joie de vivre. Despite facing numerous challenges, they possess an indomitable spirit, a deep-seated belief in the power of community and collective action. This resilience is rooted in a shared history of struggle and triumph, a recognition that they are stronger together than they are apart. Yet despite its many strengths, contemporary Jamaica is not without its shadows. The island faces a complex web of social and economic challenges. High levels of poverty, unemployment, and inequality continue to plague many communities. These issues are often compounded by the corrosive effects of crime and violence, which cast a long shadow over Jamaican society. The glorification of gangster culture, fueled by the drug trade and easy access to firearms, poses a serious threat to peace and stability. The allure of quick wealth, often associated with drug trafficking and other illicit activities, has ensnared many young people, trapping them in a cycle of violence and despair. The rise of lotto scamming, a particularly insidious form of fraud that preys on vulnerable individuals, is a symptom of deeper societal issues. It highlights the desperation that drives some to seek wealth through any means necessary, even if it means exploiting others. Echoes of empire, the roots of unrest. To understand Jamaica's present predicament, it is essential to acknowledge the lingering effects of its colonial past. The legacy of exploitation and inequality continues to shape social and economic realities. The plantation system, though abolished over a century ago, left an indelible mark on the island's social structure. It created a deeply entrenched class system, with a small elite holding a disproportionate amount of power and wealth. This historical legacy continues to fuel resentment and social unrest. Many Jamaicans feel locked out of opportunities, denied the chance to achieve their full potential. The lack of economic mobility, coupled with a perception of systemic injustice, creates fertile ground for criminal activity and social unrest. Addressing these deep-seated issues requires a multifaceted approach that tackles both the symptoms and the root causes of inequality. A new day, dawning hope endures. Despite these challenges, hope endures in Jamaica. A new generation is rising, determined to break the cycle of poverty and violence. They are harnessing the power of education, entrepreneurship, and community activism to create a brighter future. Across the island, initiatives are underway to empower youth, provide job training, and promote social change. These efforts are driven by a belief that Jamaica's greatest resource is its people, their creativity, resilience, and unwavering spirit. From the bustling streets of Kingston to the tranquil countryside, a spirit of innovation and determination is taking root. Young entrepreneurs are leveraging technology to create new businesses and opportunities. Community leaders are working tirelessly to address social issues and build a more just and equitable society. These changemakers are a testament to the enduring power of hope, a belief that even in the face of adversity, a brighter future is possible. Beyond the headlines, finding the true Jamaica. It is crucial for those outside of Jamaica to look beyond the often sensationalized headlines and discover the true heart of the island. Jamaica is more than just its challenges. It is a land of immense beauty, vibrant culture, and resilient people. By engaging with its rich history, supporting its talented artists and entrepreneurs, and advocating for social justice, we can contribute to a more nuanced and accurate understanding of this complex and fascinating nation. Tourism plays a vital role in Jamaica's economy, but it is essential to move beyond superficial encounters. Seek out authentic experiences that allow you to connect with local communities, understand their challenges, and appreciate their rich cultural heritage. Support locally owned businesses, engage with artists and musicians, and learn about the island's history from those who have lived it. Join the journey. Learn, share, explore. Jamaica's story is still being written. It is a story of resilience, creativity, and an unwavering belief in the power of hope. By learning about its past, engaging with its present, and contributing to its future, we can all play a part in ensuring that the island's brightest chapters are yet to come. Like, share, and subscribe to stay informed and be a part of the journey towards a brighter future for Jamaica.